Hello my beautiful people, welcome back. Today we have this very cool, heartless, cold as ice, soulless makeup tutorial. I'm turning myself into Wednesday Addams. I have my thing right here. He says hello. He's kind of shy today. I don't know how she does this, like without blinking my eyes start watering. Anyway, so this is what we're going to do in today's video. If you guys want to see how I turn myself into Wednesday Addams, then keep on watching.
Hello, I'm Wednesday Addams, and you're about to watch my late night makeup tutorial. Guaranteed to make you look like you haven't slept in years. To start.
Okay, that was fun. I really hope I won't get copyrighted for this like 5-second clips. I wanted to film yesterday this makeup tutorial, but it took me a very long time to create the thing. Are you guys ready? I'm happy with how this turned out. I mean, from far it looks pretty good. I will figure out later how to put this on my shoulder. I need to find something black or at least dark to paint my nails. I do not have nail polish. Okay, so I have a few pictures for reference, but in some of the pictures she has freckles, in some she doesn't. I'm going to start with my eyebrows. You can't really see her eyebrows because, you know, she has bangs on. And by the way, I'm going to use my old and crusty NYX Swear By It eyeshadow palette just because I have a lot of colors in here and I need those. But I'm going to start with eyebrows. If you guys haven't watched Wednesday on Netflix, oh my goodness, you must. I guarantee you're gonna love it if you are into fantasy, magic, comedy, dark humor, sarcasm, and all that stuff. You're gonna love this series. Is labeled as comedy, but it has a lot of dark humor in there. What makes me so sad is the fact that Netflix thought we're gonna have enough with only 8 episodes. Like, girl, what the heck were you thinking? 8 episodes is not enough. And what makes me even more sad is that we're gonna have to wait a full year for a second season. I don't want to give you any spoilers in case you haven't watched it, but I don't know, there's a few scenes where I wish she was a little bit colder, a little bit more dead inside with a few answers. Anyway, I liked it. What makes me so happy is the fact that they filmed the entire season in Romania. Like, they built the town, the little town, whatever, in Romania, and they filmed there. That makes me so happy because Romania is getting more and more attention. Also, there's 2 Romanian actors, the driver and the thing, the hand. They are both Romanian actors. Okay, so camera wasn't recording, but all I did is like a few strokes to make my eyebrows look more full, more bushy. Let's move to face makeup. So I'm going to start with a blurring primer. By the way, I forgot to do my skincare, so if my face looks dry and crusty, I deserve it. So as I said, she doesn't have much makeup on. I think I'm going to go with concealer all over my face. I think I used this once. I don't like it. I don't like it. I want to cover my dark spots and my redness because she's not wearing any blush, any of that. Oh, who is she? To set my face, I'm going to use the RCMA powder. Honestly, this is beyond expired now. I had this for like, I don't know, 4 years or so. It doesn't smell, so I'm gonna go with it. Why am I using this much? What's wrong with me? I mean, I'm excited, definitely. What? I can't even talk. I'm just going to slap this everywhere. Wow, my skin looks hella dry, like around my lips. Let's ignore that. Okay, as I said, I forgot to moisturize my face. Who does that? Obviously me. See, let's do some eyeshadow or some contour. I don't have a grayish brown to contour my face, so I'm going to use an eyeshadow. Okay, let's see if this works. This is a light gray shade. Lord have mercy, please work. So she has the cheekbones like very enhanced. Let's start here. I feel like it's not showing on my skin. Oh, a little bit, right? You can see it. Did I touch the green? God damn it! I'm going to go with Hola. I'm using the same brush, just a little bit. This is intense, so tap the excess. Okay, I feel like this gray does something, right? Oh yeah, she has the, how is this called? Like a little, how is that called? A dip? No. Dimple? Maybe. So I'm going to take again the gray shade. So I'm going to use this shade right here. I don't know how it's called. I'm not gonna apply too much. I'm going to, you know, create this smoky eye, this soft smoky eye. Okay, I look like I'm dead already. Next I took a gray shade. I wanted to go with a black liner, but I don't know, I feel like it's too intense. She doesn't look like she's wearing black eyeliner, but she has some shadow under the lashes in there. And by the way, her eyes are like very big and round. Mine aren't that shape, but I'm going to apply some nude liner in my waterline and hope for the best. So I'm using an angle brush and I'm going to apply this gray shade at the base of my lashes, like on my top lashes and bottom lashes. And if you guys, if you hear music, it's because we are having a wine festival. I'm not going, by the way, because people. Okay, so I'm taking the brush that I applied the first eyeshadow and kind of blend this to make it look more messy, I guess. So I applied some white liner and nude liner in my waterline and I feel like I look weird AF. I'm not vibing, but I'm gonna go with it. Pineapple juice. Next I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. And I feel like we are almost done. I just need to figure out what the heck I'm going to apply on my lips, but I'm thinking to mix a little bit of lip balm with this burgundy, dark burgundy eyeshadow, and to create this mix. This is a brand new mascara. Okay, lashes. See you. Oh, I forgot about the freckles. I don't know what to use. Honestly, I'm not a fan of freckles. I've had freckles for my entire life, and as a child, everyone like in my family were like mentioning my freckles, and I hate them, okay? I hate freckles. I feel like now I don't have as many, or maybe they turned into huge dark spots on my face because of the sun. So I don't see my freckles as much as when I was younger, but I still hate them, okay? So yeah, I don't like freckles, but I'm going to do them for this makeup. Okay, next I'm going to do my freckles, and I'm going to use this Revlon brow tint. I'm going to apply it on my finger, like I'm going to make a few dots and then tap it on my face. Let's see if that works. Let's try it first on my hand and see how that goes. Bitch, it works. Fun fact, you guys, I was 17 years old when I first ever dyed my hair pitch black, and it was around winter time, and everyone used to call me Morticia because my skin was so pale, and in contrast with a very dark hair, it made me look dead. Also, I was doing black liner, so yeah. This works. I used to be called Morticia. I mean, it didn't bother me, but I couldn't see it. Should I add more? Okay, wow. I look crazy if you ask me. Okay, so I think I found a deeper burgundy shade. It's called Bittersweet and is from the Daisy Marquez and ABH Cosmetics. It's this one right here. So I'm going to scoop a little bit out and mix it with a lip balm. This is more like Vaseline. I have my personalized lip balm right here, and I'm going to apply it with a brush. This is from City Color in the shade Cocoa. You guys, I found the perfect black nail polish. I just wish I won't get this everywhere. I'm using eyeliner, black eyeliner. This works like a charm. You can be super precise. I'm going to let this completely dry and hope for the best. Like, as I said, I don't want to get this everywhere, but look at this. Yes, honey. And it's super black. If you're watching this makeup tutorial on Halloween and you don't have a black nail polish, bitch, you better subscribe, because I got you. I could have kept this a secret, okay? And you would probably think, oh, she bought a black nail polish. But no, I'm using a liner, a liquid liner. So you better subscribe for this amazing hack right here. This is amazing. Let me just put my bangs on. But the pink chair is not a vibe. Like, Wednesday would die if she saw this pink chair. Anyway, let's just put the bangs. The nail trick worked. Like, this completely dried and is not transferring. You see? I'm a genius! So this is the final tutorial. I really hope you guys like it. I know it's not Halloween. Thing doesn't want to stay on my shoulder. I don't know what's his thing. Anyway, so this is the final result, you guys. I honestly love how this turned out. Very effortless Halloween look. I love it. I honestly love it. It took me about 2 hours to do the thing. That's because I didn't know what the heck I was doing, so I just nailed it, I guess. So let me know what you guys think down below. I'm curious to hear your opinions. And also let me know if you guys watched Wednesday Addams on Netflix. Did you like it? Please tell me yes. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Share it with your friends, and also save this video so you have a reference. Maybe you want to turn yourself into Wednesday Addams next year on Halloween. So there you have it. Save the video. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Cold kisses for you, without no emotions at all. Very cold kisses. Okay, bye. I mean, she never says bye. Let's do a little close-up so you can see the freckles. Like, I see these girls doing the makeup, no makeup, makeup, and they do a lot of freckles. A part of me is dying. Because why? Because I had freckles as a child, and it wasn't trending back then, you know what I mean? So now my boyfriend saw me and he said, oh, you have freckles. And I said, yeah, because I'm trying to be this girl. And I showed him the picture and he said, stay away from me. I don't want you to give me freckles. Okay, silly.
I'm here to help you process your emotions.
Emotions are a gateway trait. They lead to feelings, which trigger tears. I don't do tears.
You guys are making me nauseous. Not in a good way.
Darling, we aren't the ones who got you expelled. That boy's family was going to file attempted murder charges. How would that have looked on your record?
Terrible. Everyone would know I failed to get the job done. Pugsley, emotion equals weakness. Pull yourself together. Now.